Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T Rex 2 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down, select the system option, and here tap on the option called About. Now, scroll down and find the option called S/N, and this is the serial number. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.